Hi guys, and welcome back to XLMOTO Garage together with Fredrik from SBK1. You have seen some changes happen already to our Honda CBR 600RR, but today is the day when the true magic will happen. So stay tuned, don't miss this. In the previous episode, we stripped down the bike completely, cleaned it and changed the braking system and the exhaust system. Fredrik also changed the wires and the subframe of the bike. Now it's time for the final touch.
So now it's time to fill up some Motul engine oil. About 3 liters coming in with the filter exchange. This is the final step before we assemble the fuel tank, and then we're going to start the bike up. First time with the new electronics and all special parts mounted. Let's see if it comes alive. It worked. And no error codes, nothing. It's amazing, huh? That's gonna look nice. We're going to do some runs initially to see how the bike performs. Then we're going to dial in the fuel mixture and then try to find some more horsepower. When I run the tests, I check the air and fuel mixture in the exhaust system to see if the bike is too rich or too lean at certain speeds, engine speeds. Well, we're at 110 horsepower right now on the rear wheel, which is basically what a standard bike is giving. Now we have the exhaust system here, and we have a programmable ECU. So it should be around 118, 120. I suspect there might be something in the fuel pump that is blocking the fuel pressure. And that's quite common when you use foams in the fuel tanks, that it gets dirty and then clogs up the filter. So the fuel pump seemed to be in good shape. There were no debris or dirt in the filter. So I'm going to replace the ECU with another one I have. So we will see if there's something in the ECU that blocked the performance of the bike. We try again.
Like it's ready.
It's ready,
more
yeah.
or less, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All is good. Gave a little more power now, so.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well done, bike. I'm so proud of you. And you as well, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. But mostly about you, Honda. believe this is the same bike as we came with yesterday. I mean, alright, I can see that some big changes are made on the outside.
As you visually can see, it has a new bodywork on the bike, Motul carbons, race fairings. That's the big change you can see. You could also see a new Akrapovic exhaust system, full titanium. We changed the brake discs in the front, put on some new braking, racing discs. And underneath the shell we have built on a new HRC, Honda Racing, wire harness and programmable ECU. We ran the bike in our dyno earlier today and we had a good result there, dialed in, and the bike is now running extremely well.
So now it's ready for the track again, would you say so?
It's ready for the track, yeah, we are here at the track today at Anderstorp. The rider can come out here and test the bike, and he will have a totally new experience with what we have established here today.
It has been a lot of fun for me to watch this. I mean, racing and race bikes, that's something completely new to me. And I would love to see some more in the future, and I hope we can build more bikes, who knows?
It's what I do, so you're welcome back anytime. It was my pleasure having you here, and hope to see you soon again.
It was a lot of fun building this, and I'm looking forward to our future builds as well. And I'm really hoping that you guys want to follow us and see our future builds.